Since we last checked in over the spring, the project has passed a number of significant milestones. At the surface portion of the alignment along 4th Street south of Bryant, workers welded sections of rail into 480-foot lengths for installation both on the surface and in the twin subway tunnels. We have also been installing poles for future overhead catenary system wires and conducting utility upgrade and installation work. Access to 4th Street from Welsh was also restored following the completion of utility and repaving work there. At Yerba Buena Moscone Station, the final section of station box floor slab or invert was poured. This allowed for the removal of temporary bracing inside the structure and a transition to the next phase of work. Adjacent to the station box in the station head house, the last sections of invert were also completed. Following this, temporary steel bracing at the lowest level was removed, and workers began constructing internal columns and other permanent structural elements. Back in the station box, initial construction of the station platform has begun, which includes installing a waterproof barrier and spraying shotcrete to finish exterior walls. On the upper 2 levels of the station box, utilities and sprayable soundproofing material continue to be installed. In Chinatown, crews have excavated the lower sections of the South Platform Cavern's outer work zones called side drifts. With each push of excavation work, exposed rock and soil is coated with shotcrete to prevent against ground movement. Crews have also broken through into the South Cavern's upper central area called the top heading. As excavation is pushed south, the lower portions, called the bench and invert, have also been excavated. At Union Square Market Street, construction of the invert for the south concourse connecting the station with Powell Bart and the Market Street subway has begun. Slightly to the north, initial foundation work is beginning to take shape for future stairs and escalators leading to and from the platform level. Initial invert construction inside the north concourse has also begun, adjacent to the north station entrance at the Union Square garage. Inside the north entrance structure, structural steel and some utilities are being installed, while on the surface, workers have constructed portions of the future stairs and terraces leading up to the square. At the heart of the station, inside the station box, we're also proud to say that we have bottomed out. Workers excavated out the future platform level of the station box, uncovering and removing sections of precast tunnel lining dug through the area during the project's tunnel phase. The tunnel rings are broken into pieces and lifted to the surface for removal. Meanwhile, excess concrete is removed from the exterior wall piles, exposing structural steel which will be tied into temporary bracing, as well as the future station box invert slab currently under construction. Workers have been building the invert one section at a time, starting near the north end of the station box, first laying down waterproofing, installing rebar, placing utilities, and finally pouring concrete. Thank you for watching.